Hey guys, today I will show you how you can save your old SNES cartridges if your SNES won't read them. All you need is your game, a kind of needle nose pliers or the special Nintendo bit I will link in the video description, an eraser, paper towel and some alcohol to clean everything up. First you have to unscrew it. If you have removed the screws, you can easily take it apart, but be careful, don't break it. Don't break these parts. And yeah, that's all what's inside. And in most cases the pins are dirty, and that's because you blow in the cartridge if it won't work, and your spit and everything will corrode these pins. So don't spit in it, take a Q-tip and clean it up. And now all you have to do is take a rubber eraser and start to clean it. If you cleaned it up this way, take a paper towel, apply some alcohol to it and clean the contacts with the alcohol. Like you can see, it shines bright. And don't forget the back side. I already done it before. And yeah, if your storage battery is empty, you can use the opportunity to change it. And yeah, that's all. Reassemble it and you can't really do it wrong, because here's and here different highs, so you can't get the wrong position. Hang in the clips, screw it back together and your game should work again. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see us next time.